Yeah, so that's where it's at. I got it all welded up yesterday. I even put the round rod on the inside. I didn't show that, did I? Yeah, I did. There's round rod. I put round rod inside the glove box door, and I put round rod on the inside of the going in. I did that yesterday, but I welded it all up. And the only reason I got to ground it off the way I ground it off is because I laid it on the round bar, so I could do it that way. And that just like butt welding, be careful. Be careful. You can get it to penetrate. Yes, you can when it's tight together, but you really are zonking the heat to it and warping things up if you're doing that. And it's kind of like you're defeating the purpose. You're either destroying your panel or you're not getting enough penetration. So if you're going to butt weld something, try to get that gap there so you know that you have something to hold on. That one busted quite easy. That one bent back and forth twice. So we know which is the best. Oh, did I tell you Elvis is the king? and Jolene's my queen? All right, let's give away a hat or a shirt. Let's do that. Let's give away a hat or a shirt. And want to thank everybody for watching. And just take that in note when it comes to butt welding. Just take that in note. Where to put the weld when you're doing something. I say where, but set it up right so you know that when you weld it, you're going to be okay, and you'll be okay. And you have to be aware of that stuff when you're building things. 881 comments. Thank you very much, everybody. We appreciate it, and the reason we appreciate it because you've taken time, and time is worth more than money. And I always say that because, you know, if you were in the hospital, you'd want more time than you'd want money, basically. It's always nice to, when you say something, to have a little bit of proof. It really is. And when you have a little bit of proof, then it can actually mean something. You know, for me to say, make sure that you put a gap in between before you spot weld or before you butt weld. Well, now I've kind of shown why we want that gap. We want that gap for penetration. Michael Carson, you have won a shirt or a hat or the new shirt of your choice, and because you've taken your time to write a comment. I watch a lot and subscribed to a lot of your YouTube channel, from Street Outlaws to SRC Garage, but I think Chad is my favorite channel. Well, thank you very much. We appreciate it because we know them other guys are good because you subscribed. You've won a hat or shirt of your choice. Basically, have a good one, everybody, and we will let you know when we're doing our last video and taking off and when the reruns will start. See you later.